Hey boys and girls, it's Mrs. D here. I am here today to talk to you about ABC order. So you will see in your work that I sent home this week a sheet that looks like this, and there will be some little cards to go with it for you to put words in ABC order. And you might be thinking, well, what is ABC order? Okay, so ABC order is when you put a group of words in order by using the alphabet. Okay, and how we do this is we look at the first letter in each word. Okay, so here's my 4 words that I'm going to be doing. Okay, so I have pineapple, watermelon, kiwi, and strawberry. So I just said we're using the first letter of the word. So to help my brain remember that, I'm going to use my marker here, and I'm going to highlight, circle, mark, whatever you like, the first letter in each word. Okay, so the P in pineapple, the W in watermelon, the K for kiwi, and the S for strawberry. Okay, now I'm going to be writing these words in ABC order. So I have to figure out which one goes first. Now I've also sent you a little tool that looks like this. Okay, you can use this to help you. I also put a little alphabet line at the bottom of your recording sheet. You can use this here to help you. And I've made a large one here. Okay, so I could do this maybe outside with chalk even. I could write the ABCs and then use rocks or leaves to mark each letter. So here I have some pennies, and I'm going to show you what I mean by that. So how I like to do it is I start with the first word. So here, pineapple starts with P, and I'm going to get a penny, and I'll use this chart first to show you. And I'm going to put a penny on the P for pineapple. And then my next word is watermelon, which starts with W. And I'm going to put my penny on the W for watermelon. Okay. And kiwi starts with K. So let's find K here. Put my penny on K. And strawberry starts with S. So let's find S here on my chart. Okay. So now here you can see I have marked where each beginning letter is for all of the words. Okay. Now if reading it this way feels tricky for you, you can use this line here. Okay. And you can mark it with your marker. So here I'm going to do the same thing. This is a little bit bigger of a version than what you have. So I'm going to mark my P for pineapple. Or if you want to keep reusing it, you can do what I did with the pennies and put a penny on top. I like to do the pennies because I can use the same alphabet chart or the same alphabet line over and over again. You can use anything though, you know, maybe your favorite little toy, a piece of pasta, anything like that. Okay, so P for pineapple, W for watermelon, K for kiwi, and S for strawberry. And now you can see it is very easy to tell which word is going first. Okay, so using this one, the first letter that I've marked, and remember we're going in order, so we always start with A, and I'm going to go along K. Okay, so now which word started with K? Kiwi. So on my recording sheet, I'm going to write here, kiwi. Okay. Okay, and then I'll do a check mark to remind myself that I did kiwi, and I will take this off. That way I don't think, oh, do I need to go back to that one? Okay, now let's see. So keep going, keep going. The next letter is P. Okay, which word starts with P? That is pineapple. So that is the second word in my ABC order. So I'm going to write pineapple here. Okay, I checked it off, and I'm going to remove my penny. Okay, so following the P, the next letter is S, and my word for S is strawberry. So I'm going to write strawberry for number 3. Okay, and I will remove that penny. And now my last one left, W. Oh, I didn't check off strawberry. Watermelon, so that will go last. Okay, so that's my first card I put in ABC order. Now I used this alphabet line. I could do the same thing using my one up here. Okay, now let's try a different card. I have some new words here. So here are my new words. And this time I will use my alphabet line more. And you use whatever you like, whatever helps you the most. Use that, okay? So these are my next words: jellyfish, crab, seahorse, and lanternfish. Now, like I said, I like to use my pennies or any sort of small object to keep track of the letters. You could mark on it, but I like to reuse the same one over and over, okay? So, first things first, mark the first letter in each word, okay? So, jellyfish, J, crab is C, seahorse is S, and lanternfish is L. Okay, so jellyfish is the first word, so I'm going to mark the J for jellyfish. Crab starts with a C, so I'm going to mark my C. Seahorse starts with an S, so I will mark S. And lanternfish starts with L, so I'm going to mark the L, okay? And you can see here, wow, it's super easy. Starting with A, the very first penny that I have is there right there on C. So I know crab is the first word for my ABC order, okay? So number 1 is going to be crab. Okay. And I'm going to check it off so I remember I did that one. Okay, now I was on here for C, and we can take that off to remind ourselves that we already did it. And then follow along here. The next one we land on is J. J is for jellyfish, so jellyfish is number 2 for ABC order. Okay. Check off jellyfish. I've used that one. And I took the penny off here. And right next to it you can see, whoop, neighbors, L. L for lanternfish. That's the third one in our ABC order. Okay. And if I follow down, the last letter I marked in our line there is S. S is for seahorse. So I'm going to write seahorse. So now you can see here that I have marked all of the words in ABC order. Okay, here K is the first letter that we use through the alphabet. And then it goes all the way down to W being the last one, just for these words here. Okay, and now here, crab to jellyfish, lanternfish, and seahorse. So remember, ABC order is only using the first letter of each word. Okay? All right, boys and girls, I hope you have fun with this activity. If you have any questions, have your mom and dad send me an email, and I am more than happy to help you. I will talk to you later. Bye.